Have you ever wondered what it would be like to see the world in a different color spectrum? How about not being able to differentiate between the red of an apple and the green of its leaves? Welcome to the world of color blindness or color vision deficiency, a condition that affects how certain colors are perceived. The most common variants, red, green, and blue-yellow color blindness. Now that we have a basic understanding of what color blindness is, let's delve into some more interesting facts. Did you know that color blindness is more common than you might think, and it's often an inherited condition? It's all about the cone cells in our retinas. These little guys are responsible for detecting color. But in some people, these cells are either lacking or dysfunctional, leading to color blindness. The most common types are red, green, and blue-yellow color blindness. Intriguingly, color blindness is more prevalent in men than women. It's also notably common among Caucasians and males of Northern European descent. But why is this so? Well, it's all down to genetics. The genes responsible for this condition are located on the X chromosome. And since men have only one X chromosome, they are more prone to inheriting the condition. Despite its prevalence, the severity and impact of color blindness can vary greatly from person to person. Some may struggle with specific shades, while others may see the world in a much more limited color spectrum. Imagine trying to pick out clothes or interpret traffic lights without being able to distinguish certain colors. This is a reality for many people living with color blindness. Everyday tasks, which many of us take for granted, can become complex challenges. It's like trying to solve a puzzle with missing pieces. Picture this: you're at the wheel, navigating through traffic. For most, a green light means go and a red one means stop. But for those with color blindness, these signals could be confusing. The same goes for choosing outfits or interpreting color-coded graphs. It's a completely different ball game. The world as seen by a colorblind person varies greatly. For some, it's just a matter of struggling with specific shades. For others, the entire color spectrum is much more limited. It's not just about not knowing your pinks from your purples. It's about navigating a world designed without considering your unique vision. But here's the thing: human beings are adaptable creatures. Many people with color blindness learn to rely on different cues. They might use the position of traffic lights or ask for assistance when choosing clothes. It's about finding ways to work around the hurdles, to make the world make sense in their own way. Living with color blindness may present unique challenges, but with adaptation and the help of certain aids, these challenges can be overcome. Although there is currently no cure for color blindness, there are ways to manage the condition and improve color perception. Diagnosis typically involves the use of color vision tests like the Ishihara test, named after its creator, Dr. Shinobu Ishihara. This test uses plates filled with color dots to form numbers or patterns that can be difficult to perceive for those with color vision deficiency. To help improve color perception, there are aids and technologies available. Color-correcting glasses, for instance, can enhance the vibrancy and range of colors seen by those with red-green color blindness. Similarly, there are apps that can adjust the colors on digital screens to make them more distinguishable. Certain professions, particularly those that heavily rely on color coding, like aviation and electrical wiring, may have specific restrictions or requirements related to color vision. Despite these challenges, it's important to remember that while color blindness can change the way individuals perceive the world, it does not typically have a significant impact on overall vision or health. We've covered a lot of ground today, from what color blindness is to how it affects everyday life. We've delved into the causes of this intriguing condition, a result of certain cone cells in the retina not functioning as they should. It's a condition more common in men than women, and varying in degrees from mild to severe. We've explored the challenges it presents, from the mundane tasks of choosing clothes to the more serious implications in professions like aviation and electrical wiring. But in the face of these challenges, the human spirit shines through as people adapt by relying on other visual cues or seeking assistance when needed. We've also looked at how to manage color blindness with innovative aids and technologies like color-correcting glasses and apps that can enhance color perception. Remember, everyone sees the world through their own unique lens, and that includes those with color blindness. Until next time, keep exploring the world around you.